So let's begin. For WordPress, usually you'll have to buy a domain, you'll have to connect it to a hosting provider, you'll have to build your site, which if you're going through a developer or if you're going through an agency will take time, and the result of that is basically time goes off your hosting plan, of your domain plan, and you just end up paying extra. So to avoid that, I prefer to use local. So basically what's happening here is that on your computer itself you'll be hosting websites, we'll be creating websites. We do not need a domain. So I'll repeat that: we do not need a domain, we do not need anything, we just need this application. We can build our site, and don't worry, once your site is ready you don't have to build it again. We can just transfer it to a hosting provider. So let's get started, let's dive into it. This is the website localwp.com. You can create a free account or download it for free. Just choose your platform and follow the prompts. So if you go to features, you'll see all the features here. There is a ton. I mean, I've been using it for some time, and I have seen that they keep improving the platform, and it just it's great for development, and even if you're building your personal site. So that's about local. So once you are downloaded, you can open the application. It should look something like this, pretty straightforward. So this is the interface, this is your site, connect, blueprints, some add-ons, and help, of course. So let's start a new site. So I'm going to create a new site, and I'm going to give it a name. So I'll name it test. Now the advanced options are domains, so I'll not change it, but I'll move forwards. I'm gonna go to preferred. It's always better to keep it, because when you go to custom, unless you know what you're doing, I would suggest change it. Or if you have some particular reason in mind while developing a site, you can see the available options, but always go with preferred. Now this is the login email and password you will use to log into WordPress. Always change the email address here, because this is a non-existing email address. So I'm going to put my username, I'm going to put my email address. So this is not a multi-site, and yep, it's just as simple as 1 2 3. Your website is getting ready. Now for someone who has built website or has experience, you will know that this is, to get a WordPress site up and running in like 2 minutes, it's nothing short of a miracle. So that's great. Just wait for it to finish, and you're in. So your site is up and running. So I can just go to open site. It has opened in another browser, so I'll just bring the tab here. So in my other second screen it opens, so I just dragged it. So this is their site. So I'm going to go to WordPress admin. The username, password we just entered, so we'll have to enter that again. . So welcome to your WordPress site. You're going to have a ton of fun here. So I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.